All right, do y'all remember this car? I missed this car, man, but now it's having problems. Came to fix it, and it's making noise. So today, the tan sedan, man, dropped the exhaust. Now the exhaust is dropped, and the center was making a noise. So I figured it was the gueibo, and I was right. It is a gueibo. Look at that. Damn. So now, what I'm gonna do is take all them bolts off for the shield, take that off, and start taking this drive shaft off so we can replace this gueibo. Let's get it. All right, so I showed y'all the gueibo, terrible. Now look at this damn center drive shaft. I ain't never seen nothing like it. God damn. So that's crazy, man. So I gotta order that piece now. So I'm not gonna be able to finish the job today with that. But I'm gonna get me a new centerpiece, and I got the new gueibo already, so it's cool though. Finish it up tomorrow. Be dipping. Peace. What a day, man. Exhaust is down. Drive shaft is down and out. So now, I ordered the part, go back to the crib, and we are going to change the rest of the drive shaft at the crib. So I had to drive up the hill, all the way out here in Antelope Valley, but it is what it is. Go back home, take the drive shaft, finish that, come back tomorrow, install the drive shaft, install the gueibo. And yeah, man, this car be running, smashing, and dipping, and we'll be back in the game, man. So stay tuned. E36, and I missed this car. All right, y'all, we back at it. Middle of the night, as you can see. But I got the new gueibo on. 3 bolts, new gueibo on. Now I gotta put the drive shaft on, because I remember took the drive shaft off. So got the gueibo on. Next is the drive shaft. I got the drive shaft. All right, y'all, so I replaced the drive shaft bearing and did all that. So now it's time to put it back in, man. Put the drive shaft on, and we can go dipping. So let's get it. About to put the drive shaft up now. All right, so the drive shaft up, the new gueibo's in, center support bearings on, that brace is on, all back there is tightened up, everything's on. We Gucci, now time to put the shield on. All right, y'all. It's about midnight, almost 1 in the morning maybe. I couldn't record the rest because I would have been out here to 3 in the morning, so I'm sorry, y'all. But as y'all seen, I got the drive shaft up, I put the heat shield up, I put all the rest of the components up, I changed the exhaust gaskets, I put everything back up, so everything's back up. The car drives fine, no more problems, no more nothing. She rolls, drives like she's brand new. So that's it, man. E36 back rolling, and call it a night.